Good morning, children. Today we are going to see about the second lesson in third standard social. This lesson is about the sanctuaries. So, what do you mean by the sanctuaries? The place where the animals and birds are living together is a sanctuary. So, how we are living, we are having one place like home, like that birds and animals are protected in that place called sanctuaries. So, we have got a different places, we got a different sanctuaries, they are situated in India. So, in where are the places it's situated, we are going to see. And what do you mean by the sanctuaries? And understand the importance of the biosphere reserve. Why we are keeping the reserves? Because there are so many sanctuaries and reserves are keeping for the animals and birds. So, we are going to see one by one in this lesson. A small girl named Anu is at home with her grandfather. Anu is staying with her grandfather, and Anu is reading a book and her grandfather is reading a newspaper. So she is reading a book and grandfather is reading the newspaper. You know that. Anu, sanctuary. She is pronouncing the word Sanctuary. Sanctuary. She is pronouncing the word. Sanctuary. What does this word mean? Sanctuary. Sanctuary. What does this mean? Sanctuary means, what is grandfather is telling? Sanctuary is a place where animals and birds are protected from hunting and other human activities. I'll repeat again. Sanctuary is a place. Sanctuary is a place where the birds and animals, birds and animals are protected. Protected from hunting, hunting and other human activities. One animals or animals hunting pannu, and another one is and other human activities. Other human activities. To protect them from this danger, they built up a sanctuary. So, sanctuary is a place where birds and animals are protected from hunting and other human activities. Hunting, and sometimes they will kill the elephants for the tusk, and lions, leopard, tigers for the skin, and even for the tiger for the teeth and the nagam, everything they will take off, and deer. So like this the animals are hunted. So they want to protect these animals and birds. So that's why they make a sanctuary. Are there any other places like sanctuaries that protects animals and birds? So any other places like that sanctuaries is there, apart from that any other places are there? She is asking. Grandfather, yes, Anu, national parks are places where wild animals are protected. So many national parks are there. In that the wild animals, you know that how fierce animals are protected. In biosphere reserves, animals, birds and plants are protected. Some of the birds and animals living in water and in trees, they have been protected in the biosphere reserves. Very interesting, this girl Anu is studying. Can you understand? National parks are protected for the animals and biosphere reserves are used for the animals and birds to protect the animals and birds. Grandfather, I will tell you about some of the most popular sanctuaries and reserves in India. So, his grandfather is going to say about the popular sanctuaries. What are the sanctuaries are there and what are the reserves in India? Sure, I would love to know them. So, what she is telling, I would love to know that. See, in our house, the grandfather and grandmother will say the stories, what all they have learned, and grandfather will say the interesting facts about them. Like that, he is telling about first one is Corbett National Park. Say all of you, Corbett National Park. This Corbett National Park is in Uttarakhand. This park is in Corbett National Park is in Uttarakhand. Okay, So which animals are protected here? In this Corbett National Parks, which animals are protected? the majestic Bengal tigers. You know, you have seen the tiger. When it walks, it looks just like a Gambiram, majestic. Na Gambirama nadadu. So the majestic Bengal tigers are protected. So Bengal tigers. So in Gorbat National Park, where is it? It is in Uttarakhand. So which animal is protected there? The majestic Bengal tigers are protected in the national park. See, here in this book they are given the pictures. I have already told you, you buy the book, pay the fees and buy the book, children, so that you can see the so many pictures. This is the Bengal tigers, you see, tigers, very majestic and looks so beautiful. That is a fierce animal. Is there any other sanctuary that protects the Bengal tiger? So not only one national park is there. Another national park, Sundarbans National Park. Another one is Sundarbans National Park. Sundarbans National Park in which place? In West Bengal. This is also in West Bengal. So, two national parks are there to protect the majestic tigers. First one is Gorbat National Park is in Uttarakhand and the another one is Sundarbans National Park in West Bengal. Can you understand, children? So, two sanctuaries for the majestic Bengal tigers to protect these animals. Yes, there is a Sundarbans National Park in West Bengal. This one is in Uttarakhand, another one is West Bengal. Due to the successful conservation effects of Project Tiger, the number of tigers have been increased in India. So, due to the successful conservation means பாதுகாப்பு, அந்த பாதுகாப்பு முயற்சிகள், efforts. So, இந்த tigers எல்லாம் பாதுகாத்துக்கலாம், they will be hunting. Man hunt பண்ணலாம், ஏதோ something will happen. So successful வெற்றிகரமாக they have finished the conservation efforts, பாதுகாப்பு முயற்சிகள் அது பண்ணாங்க to project the tiger. இந்த tiger எல்லாம் நல்லா பார்த்துக்கணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு. So the number of tigers have been increased. அந்த என்னாச்சு, tigers இது வந்து so many tigers. Okay, so all together குட்டி இருக்கும், அது கொஞ்சம் பெருசாகும். So இப்படியே நிறைய tigers have been increased. So this is about the Bengal tigers. Now the next one is, you know when the International Tiger Day is celebrated? International Tigers Day. So ஒவ்வொன்றுத்துக்கும் நம்ம World Water Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, then Universal Day, International Day, like this. International Tiger Day. International Tiger Day is celebrated on 29th July. So every year 29th July is the International Tiger Day. Can you understand, children? So Gorbat National Park in Uttarakhand and Sundarbans National Park in West Bengal are the two sanctuaries, national parks to protect the majestic Bengal tigers. And the International Tiger Day is celebrated on 29th July. Okay, so not only the tigers they are protected, they have been protected the other animals also. So Anu is asking, what about the elephants, grandpa? Did they protected the elephants also? So elephants they have been protected. Grandpa, you know I love elephants. Anu loves to see the elephants. It's such a gigantic one and it's a very biggest animal. Is there any sanctuary that protects the elephants? Yes, they have got even for elephant also. They are having a sanctuary. Where is that? Grandfather saying, yes, the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve for elephant is the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve. So protect the Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve is to protect not only the elephants, for elephants. Okay. The Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve for elephants, but also as and where an animal Indian leopard. Which one is that? Indian leopard is also there, not only for the elephants, but in tiger they got separate sanctuaries, but here elephants, Indian leopard, then black panther and Nilgiri Tar. And Nilgiri Tar. TAHR. Okay. So the Nilgiri Biosphere for elephants, not only for the elephants, for other animals also like Indian leopard, black panther and Nilgiri Tar. So this is the leopard, Nilgiri tahr and black panther. Grandpa, you said biosphere reserves also protect the plants. Biosphere is regarded with the plants, water and plants also. So earth related the biosphere. So what you have to do, this Anu is telling that not only for the animals but also to protect the plants. So what kind of plants can be found? Grandfather, there are different species of flowering plants. Species means variety, inangal. Flowers, so many varieties are the different species of flowering plants. One among them is Kurinji flower, which blossoms only once in 12 years. 12 வருஷத்துக்கு ஒரு முறை தான் பூக்கும் Kurinji flower. Blooms once in 12 years. Blooms once in 12 years. That is the Kurinji flower. Kurinji flower. Can you understand? So this flower also protected not only for the birds and animals but also for the different species of the flowering plants. One among them is the Kurinji flower. This Kurinji flower blooms once in 12 years. So it must be, this is like this, the blue color flower. So it is so beautiful to look at. Okay, now what about the birds? We are saying the wild animals and other animals, and we are saying the for plants of also they are having this protecting the plants also. What about the birds? Grandfather, if you want to see different types of birds, then we must visit Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary. So Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary, everybody might have known. It is in Chengalpattu, Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary. So if you போய் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அங்கே பேர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் ரொம்ப அழகாக அந்த ட்ரீஸ்லாம் ஈவன் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் வெரைட்டிஸ் ஆஃப் பேர்ட்ஸ் யூ சீன் அந்த அந்த ட்ரீஸில் அழகாக உட்காந்துருக்கும். அந்த கொக்குலாம் பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஒவ்வொரு கிளையில் இன்ஸ்டெட் ஆஃப் லேஸ் இட் வில் சிட் ஸோ நைஸ் டு லுக் தட் ஒன் திஸ் வேடந்தாங்கல் பேர்ட் சாங்சுரி. So for protecting the birds, they have the Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary. Where is it? It is 25 kilometers from Chengalpattu. 25 kilometers from Chengalpattu. This is in Chengalpattu. That is for the Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary. Okay, I am sure there are some really unique and colorful birds. Really, there are some colorful birds and unique but different. Nama paakada birds la kuda we can see in Vedantangal. Okay, next one. Yes, Anu, birds that migrate from different parts of the world can be found here. You can find pelicans, night herons and many more birds. So the birds will be migrating for the seasons from one place to another place in different parts of the world. Sometimes if you see in the sky, that V shape the birds will be goes on flying. They won't move from the shape. And the V shape la இப்படி அழகாக போகும் எல்லாம் ஒரே சேம் லைனில் போகிற மாதிரியே போகும் அந்த பேர்ட்ஸ். இட் won't move, not even a single change இருக்காது. So sometimes if you see in the sky, we are seeing the birds migration, that is from the different parts of the world the birds will migrate from one place to another place. So such types of birds, what are the birds? We can see pelicans, okay, birds, pelicans, then one the night herons, and many more birds, some other birds. So these are the birds we can see from the migration and even in the Vedantangal also. Okay, migrate. What do you mean by the migrate? A bird or an animal moves from one place to another due to the change in seasons. So if a season change aachuna, birds illana animals ellame they will change their places. Seasons வந்து மழைக்காலம், குளிர்காலம், summer, winter, autumn and spring இல்லையா. So migrate means they are moving from one place to another place. Okay, migrate. A bird or an animal move from one place to another. Bird or an animals move from one place to another. One place to another due to change in seasons. Due to change in seasons. Okay, this is called migration. Can you find peacocks? So while the birds, peacock is also a bird. So can you find peacock there? No, peacocks can be found in the natural habitat in Viralimalai in Tiruchi. So peacock is a bird that can be found in Viralimalai in Tiruchi. Peacock found in Viralimalai in Trichy. Okay, so we can find peacocks there. And next one is, I would love to visit this place. Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary is the oldest water bird sanctuary. So this Vedantangal irukilya, this Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary. Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary is the oldest water bird sanctuary in India. Water bird sanctuary in India. Okay, so this is the very oldest sanctuary in India. Which is the oldest sanctuary in India? Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary is the oldest bird sanctuary. And for peacock, where you can find the peacock? Viralimalai in Tiruchi. Okay, so peacock can be found in the natural habitat. அதுங்களுடைய நேச்சுரல் பிளேஸ் எதுனாக்கா விராலிமலை in Tiruchi. Okay, now the next one is, okay, do you tell about one-horned rhinoceros? One-horned rhinoceros means what? One-horned rhinoceros, ஒரே ஒரு ஹார்ன் தான் இருக்கும். ஹார்ன்னா கொம்பு, தெரியலையா? You know that one-horned rhinoceros. So other one-horned rhinoceros, you see the picture, this is the one-horned rhinoceros. So this one-horned rhinoceros is a very rare species of rhinoceros. It is protected in the Kaziranga National Park. One-horned rhinoceros is a rare, ரொம்ப அபூர்வமானது rhinoceros are protected in Kaziranga National Park. Okay, so one-horned rhinoceros are protected. The one-horned rhinoceros in which place is that? Kaziranga National Park. Where is it? It is in Assam. So Kaziranga National Park in Assam. Okay, now Kaziranga National Park is the home of the one-horned rhinoceros. It has around 2/3 of all rhinoceros in the world. So all the rhinoceros live in this world. And due to the successful conservation efforts, I told you the successful conservation efforts, the number of one-horned rhinoceros have been increased. Every one the tiger protect பண்ணதுக்கு tiger West Bengal tiger reserves irukku, like that in one-horned rhinoceros also, due to the conservation effort முயற்சிகள் பண்ண efforts எடுத்ததால it also number of one-horned rhinoceros also increased. Now the 3 biosphere reserves. What are the 3 biosphere reserves? We'll see. The 3 biosphere reserves in Tamil Nadu. What are the 3 biosphere reserves? The 3 biosphere reserves are reserves in Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu எது இருக்கு? Are Nilgiri biosphere. What is that? Nilgiri biosphere. Nilgiri biosphere reserve. Then next one is Gulf of Mannar. Gulf of Mannar. That is biosphere reserve, Gulf of Mannar. And Agastya Malai. Agastya Malai. This is also the biosphere reserve. So these are the 3 biosphere reserves in Tamil Nadu. Okay. Now Asiatic lions. What do you mean by the Asiatic lions? Grandpa, you did not tell me about the lions. Grandfather says, oh yes, Gir National Park in Gujarat. So for lions, tiger ko patom, peacock patom, birds, and then now we are seeing the one-horned rhinoceros, then flowers. Ellame pata. Now for lion, Gir National Park. Gir National Park in which place? Gujarat. In Gujarat for the lions. Lions, okay, yeah. So lions ke enga preserve irukna Gir National Park in Gujarat. It's very interesting. Yes, animals, birds and different types of plants are important for our environment. It's very, very important. Yes, Grandpa, we must never harm them. நம்ம எப்பவுமே எதையுமே harm பண்ணக்கூடாது. Even the birds, animals, trees, everything. It's our duty to protect them. We have to protect everything. Even the animals, birds, everything. So this is the lesson for you. And here they given the Viralimalai name some of the animals and birds found in the following places. So I have already written here. Viralimalai Sanctuary is for peacock. And Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, what all the animals are there? This I have written. One-horned rhinoceros I also written. Garbet National Park is the Royal Bengal tigers. So in the lesson itself I thought and written on the board. So you see that and fill these boxes. Tomorrow we will see the answer. Okay. And recap is sanctuaries are national parks or places where animals and birds are protected. Sanctuaries, national park, what is the meaning? It's a place where animals and birds are protected. எதிலிருந்து protect பண்றாங்க? That is பாதுகாப்பது from hunting, வேட்டையாடுதலிருந்து and other human activities. And biosphere reserves are the places. What do you mean by the biosphere reserves? Now, where the places, plants, animals and birds are protected. Some animals live in water, some birds will be there. So, to protect the plants, animals and birds, the biosphere reserves are places. And Royal Bengal tigers are seen in Gorbat National Park in and Uttarakhand and Sundarbans National Park in West Bengal. Some biosphere reserves. What are the biosphere reserves in Tamil Nadu? Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve, Gulf of Mannar and Agastya Malai. And Kaziranga National Park in Assam is the home of the one-horned rhinoceros. So very interesting and easy lesson, easily understandable and everything. So go through this lesson, children. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.